Ni hao. My name is Cem Özer. I am the founder and CEO of STATICA engineering company located in Istanbul, Turkey. I am honored to be a part of the Tianjin Star Sand Hotel project. Unfortunately, I cannot be in China for this meeting in person. However, I would like to introduce myself briefly with this video. I am a structural engineer with 25 years of design experience, mainly focusing on structures in seismic areas. 10 years out of this 25 years, I have worked in the United States of America, especially in New York and San Francisco. During this time, I received my California Professional Engineer's license. Design experience I have gained in the US includes the design of mid-rise and high-rise structures in seismic areas. I have worked on projects located throughout the world, including USA, China, Russia, Gulf region, North Africa, and Europe, and as well as Turkey. Following 10 years of challenging experiences in the US, in 2004 I have relocated to Istanbul and established STATICA engineering company. Since then, together with my team of design professionals at STATICA, we have completed several prestigious projects, including hotels, high-rise office and residential complexes, and airport terminals. We also have strong background in precast design of reinforced concrete structures in seismic areas. In 2009, I also partnered with Peikko Group, established Peikko Turkey in Istanbul. Since then, we worked hard to change the conventional methods of precast construction in Turkey to promote challenging structural design in precast construction using Peikko's technology. Using mechanical connections, we have been able to design several complex and challenging structures successfully in high seismic areas in Turkey. Earlier this year, we have become acquainted with Mr. Zhuang and his company. We are now collaborating with him and his team of designers and precast specialists for the Tianjin Star Sand Hotel in Tinian Island. Thanks to mechanical connections, technology, and products of Peikko, we are able to design a fully precast reinforced concrete frame structure that can be manufactured in mainland China and shipped for installation on the project site in Northern Mariana Islands. Based on our experience in Europe and Turkey, I am confident that the mechanical connection will provide a fast, efficient, and safe way of construction. I am looking forward to see the first precast column connected with Peikko column shoes on the Tinian Island. And then, of course, I'm looking forward to see the first beam connected to that column with column shoes and beam shoes and the mechanical connections. I'm sorry I could not join you in China for this event. Please accept my best wishes for the success of the Tinian Star Sand Hotel projects. Goodbye.